Hi everyone, this is Ramesh and welcome to our channel. So today we are going to learn in 10th class real number chapter in that exercise number 5 logarithms. Logarithms exercise number 5. Already I have explained you what is logarithm and what are the formulas they are going to be used in the logarithm, how to solve the problems. By using formulas I explained in my previous videos. If you have not seen those videos, please see the videos. I'll keep those videos links in my description, or at end of this video you can see those videos on your screen. You can also tap that to see the videos so that you can understand this class very well. So in this class I am going to be explaining you all the problems from the exercise number 1.5. Okay, let's take the first question. That is log 5 base 25. Log 5 base 25. Let us solve this problem. Let's write this now. This log 5 and this 25 can be written as a 5 square. See, here our motto is that we need to make log value and base value equal if possible. Then only the further problem can be possible to solve it. So here it is the form of like log x to the power of m and log x a to the power of n. Log x a to the power of n formula. I have given 10 formulas in my previous video. From this is one of the formula. So it comes like a 1 by n log x base a. Log x base a. So that according to this formula, this here 1 and here 1 and here n, it comes as a 1 by n, and here 1 and here 2, that will come as a 1 by 2 log 5 and base 5. Where we have also learned that one more important formula, that is log a base a equal to 1. So let's go for one more formula, that log a base a equal to 1. The log value base values are same, we get answer 1. So here we get 1 by 2 into 1, that equal to 1 by 2. And therefore log 5 base 25 equal to 1 by 2. Let's take one more question and solve it, that log 3 base 81. Log 3 base 81. So here we need to think that here base 81 can be changed into 3 powers anything? Yes, exactly, we need to think in that way. Log 3, this base 81, this 81 you factorize so that you can understand that how we can write as a 3 power. So 3 2s are 6 and 2 left here, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. Hence we can write here 81 is equal to 3 to the power of 4. So here we can write 3 to the power of 4. And the same formula we use here also. The same formula we use here, so that we get 1 by 4 of log 3 base 3. Here 1 by 4 is there. Here the power is 1 and here the power is 4. It comes like a 1 by 4 of log 3 and base 3. So that equal to log 3 base 3 equal to, again the same formula here, log a base a equal to 1. According to that, we get 1 by 4 into 1. Hence that equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, log 3 base 81 equal to 1 by 4. Let's take one more question to be understanding more better way again. So here, the third question is log 1 by 16 base 2 base 2. So here one more important question in front of you all, that is log 1 by 16 base 2. So let's think that how can the 16 can be written as a 2 power. Let's go for that. Log 1 by 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. Then here base 2 we write as the same. From the using of loss of exponents formula, where 1 by n equal to a to the power of minus n. And from the laws of exponents formula, 1 by a to the power of n equal to a to the power of minus n. Let us write this 1 by 2 to the power of 4 in the numerator form. This 2 to the power of 4 we write in the numerator, then it will be negative. So log 2 to the power of minus 4 here base 2. And here we have one formula, very important formula, that is log x to the power of m base a equal to m log x base a. So this whatever the power is there, that will come in front of the log and multiply to the logarithm. So let's come that the change in this form, this minus 4 comes here into log 2 base 2 will be there. Again log 2 base 2. Those value log 2 base 2 is equal to 1 by using formula log a base a equal to 1. Hence here minus 4 into 1, that equal to minus 4. Therefore the log 1 by 16 base 2 equal to 4. Just to go through this, again we will go for the next question here. Next, that is log 1 base 7. If you have textbook, please go through the textbook to understand the more better way. Again, clearly you can understand all these formulas I am choosing from the textbook itself. So the fourth problem is log 1 base 7. We have already learned the value of log 1 always 0. The log 1 value always 0. In my previous video I told you that how it becomes 0. So you go through that video so that you can understand why this log 1 of any base is 0. By using that formula, log 1 of any base is equal to 0, and this value is, therefore the log 1 of base 7 equal to 0 directly. Let's go for the fifth question, is that log root x of base x. Log root x base x. So here root x, this is radical form actually. In our 9th class we have learned about radical form and exponential form. Root n equal to, it is a root n is a radical form. What is the exponential form of this? N to the power of 1 by 2. So root x equal to x to the power of 1 by 2. In the same way here we can write here log x to the power of 1 by 2 base x. Again it is in the form of the formula log x to the power of m base a equal to m log x base a, and that equal to m is the sense here 1 by 2. 1 by 2 log x base x, where log x base x value is 1. So we go for that now. Log x, that means log a base a equal to 1. As here 1 by 2 into 1 equal to 1 by 2. This will be our answer now. The log root x or base x equal to log root x or base x equal to, that equal to 1 by 2. Let's take the next question now. Here the sixth question, log 512 base 2. Log 512 base 2. Always you need to think that here 2 cannot be written as a base 512. But this 512 we can write as a 2 to the power of something. No. Always you need to think that the log value base value should be equal. If it is possible, we need to make it equal. Or else we need to leave it. Okay. Here, let's 512 factorize by the 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. Okay, one left again. 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 8s are 2 6s are 2 4s are 2 13 2s are 2 16 2 8s are 16 2 4s are 8 2 2s are 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 2 to the power of 9. As 512 we can write as a 2 to the power of 9 or base 2. As here easy formula again, the same formula what we have used in the before formula problem, that is log x to the power of m base a equal to m log x base a, that equal to 9 log 2 base 2. This 9 will come, friend. Okay, this 9 will come here and multiply to the same log. So hence we have one more formula here, log a base a equal to 1. In the same way here, log 2 base 2 equal to 1. Hence that equal to 9 into 1 it gives us 9. And therefore log 512 base 2 equal to answer 9. So I'll be going for the next problems here. The seventh problem of this algorithm, that is log 0.01 of base 10. So here this kind of problem. So here 0.01. How we can think this? Simple, that we can write in the, this is a decimal number, we can write in the form of fraction. So let's go for that and we'll change this decimal into fraction. 0.01 value is what? First you write the number, what is there here? 1 by. After the decimal point, how many digits are there? 2 digits. So it will be 100 by 10. And here very easy, that 1 by 100. 1 by 100 log 1 by 100. This 100 we can write as a 10 square. 100 we can write as a 10 square, and here base 10. Here 10 square. The 10 square in the denominator. Let's write in the numerator. Here it is a positive, like from the laws of exponent formula. 1 by a to the power of n equal to a to the power of minus n. Using of this formula now. Let's go for that. Log 10 to the power of minus 2 base 10. Okay, here we use the same formula again, but we use here log x to the power of n base a equal to m log x base a, that equal to minus 2 into log 10 base 10. Log 10 base 10 equal to 1. So minus 2 into 1, that equal to minus 2. And the therefore is minus 2. Let's see the some more problems. Okay, of this exercise. Bit number 1 only. There are 2 more problems in this. That 2 problems also important, children. So keep practicing these logarithm problems, because very new concept for you all. Do not be confused. When you practice continuously, you get idea how to do this all. So let's go for 8th problem in that. Log 8 by 27. 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. Not to confuse, simple again. So here log this 8 and here 27. If you observe 8 and 27, here 8 is a 2 cube value, 27 is a 3 cube value. 2 cube value and 3 cube value. It is very similar. So this idea we need to get 2 by 3 whole cube, we can write this. 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. So I did not change the value, just I change in the form of like a base. Base is 2 by 3 and log also 2 by 3. Now here it is in the formula of log x to the power of m base a, that equal to m log x base a, that equal to, now 3 log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3, and log 2 by 3 base 2 by 3 equal to 1 by using formula of log x and base a equal to 1, that equal to 3 into 1 equal to 3. So the last one is very important formula that, and the problem also. Let's go for 9th one. Very important this problem actually. Once they asked in the public examination 2 to the power of 2 plus log 3 base 2. 2 to the power of 2 plus log 3 base 2. So how to solve this? Let us find out the answer. Children, here we have one formula that a to the power of m plus n equal to, it is in the formula of a to the power of m plus 1. So here we can write a to the power of m into a to the power of n by using laws of exponents formulas from the exponents and powers chapter in our 8th class and exponent chapter in our 7th class. We have learned these kind of problems actually. So it is in the form of a to the power of m plus n, where it is give us a to the power of m into a to the power of n. If and only if both will be occurs, if it is in this condition, we can change its condition, and if a to the power of m plus n in form, we can change this a to the power of m into a to the power of n. So let us convert these into this RHS form. So that is 2 to the power of 2 into 2 to the power of log 3 base 2. Log 3 base 2. Here 2 to the power of 2 value, 2 square value is 4. Okay, this value we have. But what about this? So let us write this. 4 into 2 to the power of log 3 base 2. Now here there is a one formula actually. I already told you that a to the power of log n base a equal to n. This is the formula. So a to the power of log n base a equal to n. So 2 to the power of log 3 base 2 equal to 3 in the same way. Where the n place there is a 3. So let us write 4 into 3 that equal to 12. Therefore the answer is 2 to the power of 2 plus log 3 base 2. Log 3 base 2 equal to answer is 12. So let's see the next bit problems also. So let's see the second bit of this exercise number 1.5 problems. Let me take first question that log 2 plus log 5. What is the value of this log 2 and log 5 value? So let us see log 2 plus log 5 value. So here we need to think one thing, children. As I said you in my previous video that in the logarithm, if they are not given any base for logs, if they are not given any base for the given logs, that is always 10. If you take as a 10, it's called as a normal logarithm. If they are not given a base, we can take as a 10 as a base. So here we can write as 10 as a base. If you write 10 here in the base, it is called as a normal logarithm. Some of them they use e also in the case of logarithm. Here in the base they also use the e. E is called as the irrational number or Euclid constant. So regarding this I told you already in my previous video, you go through that. Now here let's see. Now it is in the form of like log x base a plus log b base a. It is in the form of log x base a plus log b base a. It is the first formula of logarithm, that is log a into b, that is so here x and y, here you can use x and y. Log x base a plus log y base a. So here you can use log x into y or base a. So here in the base of x is 2, y equal to 5, where a equal to 10. That is what we need to write it. So let's go for that. Log x into y, 2 into 5. Our base a, that is 10. So 2 5s are 10. Log 10 base 10. Where log 10 base 10 equal to 1. By using formula log a base a equal to 1 else. So here we get answer as a 1. Therefore log 2 plus log 5 equal to 1. So let's go for the next question, that log 16 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2. Here log 2 base 2 equal to 1. In that way also we can solve the problem, or not by using the quotient formula. that is division formula also you can do this problem. Okay, you can also go for log 2 base 2 equal to 1 or not, the another process I will tell you. Okay, so here we go for, it is in the form of like log x base a minus log y base a equal to log x by y base a, x by y, where x equal to 16, y equal to 2 and base a equal to also 2. Let us solve the problems by using substituting those values. Log x, that is 16, by y, that is 2, by base also 2. Here 2 ones are 2 8s, that equal to log 8 base 2. But here the 8 we can write as a 2 to the power of 3. So log 2 to the power of 3 base 2. Here it is in the form of like log x to the power of m base a equal to m log x base a. So this power will come from here. So 3 into log 2 base 2 will be left. Where log 2 base 2 equal to again 1. So 3 into 1 equal to, answer is 3. Let's see the one more question of this. That you keep on practice this all, you get habituated how to do the problems actually. So children, do not to stop your practicing. Always keep practice and observe. When I am teaching it, you make a notes so that you can understand later also. So third one, keep on writing and keep on watch your textbook and problems. Here 3 log 4 base 64. This is another kind of, so very easily we can solve, and this answer is 1. How? See here base 64, base 64. Here base 64 is there. This 64 we can as is a 4 cube, and we can solve the problem. Or not, in another way I'll solve the problem. You make this as a 4 cube, and here is 1, here is 3. It comes like a 3 into 1 by 3 of log 4 base 4. Then this 3 cancel, log 4 base 4 equal to 1. As answer is 1. In this way we can solve. Or else, let's see, I'll go for the another process that by using power formula. Here we have m log x base a. It is in this formula, m log x base a. Hence we can write here log x to the power of m base a. In this way we can change it. That means this 3 will transfer here. So what comes? Let's see. Log 4 cube. This comes as a 4 power 3. So 64. 4 to the power of 3 is 4 into 4 into 4. That 4 into 4 16. 16 4 is 64. So log 64 base 64. We change in this way. Now log 64 base 64 equal to 1. So the answer becomes 1. Or else what we used to do, here we write as a 4 cube. So we use the formula that it comes like a 1 by 3 here. When you want to bring this 3 here, it comes like a 1 by 3. Here 3 into 1 by 3, log 4 base 4 equal to 1. That value also will be same. So however you can solve, when you have a thinking that how to solve it. Let's go for the next question, that the fourth one, 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2 minus 3 log 2. So see that how to solve this. Say how I brought here the m as a x to the power of m, x power. In the same way we need to bring this on. So let us write here, we can write as a base 10 or not limit, no problem. So here we can let us write that m log x base a equal to log x to the power of m base a. So let us change it here. Log 3 to the power of 2, 3 square base 10 minus log, this 3 will come here. So 2 to the power of 3 base 10. If they are not given any base, we can take as a base 10. Are not limit here. Don't write anything. Solve that like that only. Okay. Now here 3 square value is 9. 2 cube value is 8. Those values we need to substitute here. 9 log 9 base 10 minus log 8 base 10. Here again we have quotient formula that we have solved our second problem like log x base a minus log y base a equal to log x by y base 8. So where x equal to 9, y equal to 8 and where a equal to 10. Let's solve that. Now log 9 by 8 x by y are base 10. So this is the problem. Again we cannot be simplified because 9 cannot be divided by 8 and those values cannot be changed in the base of 10. So we will stop it here itself. Okay, let's go for the next question and the last question of this bit, that is log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. See here, 2 or 3 similar problems will come. Step by step we'll solve it. So first we go for this 2. This 2 will solve it. Or not, see that first we go for solving this second one. Because it is in this form. M log x base a form. So we need to change it as a log x to the power of m base a. So we change in that form now. Log 10 we write as the same plus here log 3 square. This 2 becomes here as a power of 3. So minus log 2. You may get a doubt that I am not writing a base 10. That's our wish. We can write as a base 10 or leave it. So we can also write at last and show you how to do it. Or not leave it like that. Now we take it this. Or not we solve this now. Where log 3 square is value is 9. Log 10 plus 3 square value is 9. Log 9 minus log 2. Okay, let's take this 2 now. Log x plus log y. Log x plus log y equal to log x into y. So by using this formula, log 10 into 9 minus this log 2 we write as it is. Now 10 into 9 is 90. So log 90 minus log 2. So again it is in the form of log x minus log y. Log x minus log y equal to log x by y. Formula. Okay. Again log 90 by 2. Whenever there is a subtraction we have to divide this 2. Whenever there is an addition we have to multiply this 2. When the addition comes in the logarithms, you multiply. When subtraction comes between the logarithms, you divide those log values. Okay, here 2 ones are 2, 45. So log 45. Log 45 is the value. You can also write as a base 10, no problem. Log 45 or base 10 is the answer of this question. So let's see the third bit now. So this is the third bit now. Let's see what is the third bit. Evaluate each of the following in terms of x and y. That means the answer we need to be expressed in the form of only x and y. Either x plus y or x minus y, x divided by or x into y, whatever. In the terms of x and y we need to express the answer. So we need to show the answer in the terms of only x and y, not in the terms of logarithm, not in the terms of numerical. Okay. So if they have given two values here, let's see that x value is, okay, whenever you see log 3 base 2, there you can write x equal to log 3 base 2. That means where log 3 base 2 equal to x and log 5 base 2 equal to y. These are they have given. So let's see the questions which are there in this third bit. The first question, log 15 base 2. So log 15 base 2. How can we write now in the terms of x and y? That we need to get idea. Here log 3 is there, log 5 is there. The 3 into 5 comes 15. So these 15 we can write as 3 into 5 and base 2. So 15 here there is a 3 into 5. Why? Now it is in the form of log x into y. log x into y equal to log x plus log y. The formula is here. Log x into y base a equal to log x plus log y base is. So now here we need to change this here, like log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. As given that in the question what log 3 base 2 equal to x, so this value is x plus log 5 base 2 value is y, so this value is y. As the answer of therefore log 15 base 2 equal to x plus y. Let's see the next question of this bit, that is second one. Log 7.5 base 2. Log 7.5 base 2. How can we write 7.5 base 2? Can you think over it? So you're not getting the. Okay, leave it. So I will tell you easy method. See, log 7.5 we can write as 75 by 10. How? 75 by 10 will give us 7.5. The decimal I have changed in the form of fraction. So I have base 2. And see, can cancel here. See that 5 2s are 10. 5 7s are, sorry, 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25. So 15 by 2 comes. So let's see, log 15 by 2 base 2. Now here in the numerator, in the log value, that is 15 by 2, that is x by y. Log x by y, let us write here, it is in the form of log x by y base a. So let's change it, log x base a minus log y base a. So we can change this now, log 15 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Then log 2 base 2 equal to 1. And this log 15 base 2. Log 15 base 2 from solution number 1. That means in exam you cannot be write that from the solution number 1. So here you need to express the same again. We have to rewrite this all. So here you get this value from the answer number 1. I can write directly here x plus y to save your time. But you have to show that how it is x plus y in the same model again. Minus this value is 1. Hence the therefore is that log 7.5 base 2 equal to x plus y minus 1. So let's go for the third one, that log 60 base 2. Log 60 base 2. So let us write log 60. How can we write the log 60? See, 60 will we use only 3 and 5 because log 3 and log 5 are given. So fact is 3 20s are and 5 4s are. 5 4s are 20 only, not 4. Then here 2 2s are 4. So let's write in that way, log 3 into 5 into 2 into 2 base 2. So here log x into y formula only you know it. But log x into y into z into whatever, like log a into log b into log c into log d equal to log a plus log b plus log c plus log a. If there is a multiplication here, we have to change it into the additions. So let us write here, log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 plus log 2 base 2 plus log 2 base 2. So log 3 base 2, log 5 base 2, log 2 base 2, log 2 base 2. So here log 3 base 2 equal to x plus log 5 base 2 equal to y plus here log 2 base 2 equal to 1, here log 2 base 2 equal to 1. And the therefore is x plus y, here 1 plus 1 equal to 2. As the final answer is x plus y plus 2. So these all log problems, we are expressing those answers of these problems in the terms of x and y only. So here there is a fourth question. Here there is our fourth question. Let's also try this here. Now itself. With that, this video will get complete, and the further problems I will explain in the next video. Okay. So because this video length is too long, I don't want to waste your time any time. We'll learn slowly. So log 6750 of base 2. Let's solve this now. So how it is, how we can change in this now. Let's see in the terms of 3 and 5, how can we change? By factorization. Let's factorize 6, 7, 5, 0. This is one. So we go for, normally we go for 2 ones or 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15 and 0. That's finished. Again, let's go for the 3 table. 3 7s are 21. One left. 3 5s are 15. Okay, and 0. Again, we can go for the 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15 and 0. So, hence we go for here 5. 5 5s are 25 and 0. Again, we go for the 5. 5 10s are and 5 2s are. See, simple this. Very simple. Because we need only in the terms of log 3 and log 5. So, we are using 3 and 5 maximum. So, let us change this. Now, log. How can we write this? Log 3 into, okay, log 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 2. So 3 times 3, 3 times 5 into 2 are base 2. So same formula, use it. Okay, now we go for log 3 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 plus log 3 base 2. These 3 are completed. Next log 5 base 2. Log 5 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 plus log 2 base 2. So where log 3 base 2 value we have x. X plus x. Log 5 base 2 value y plus plus log 2 base 2 value is 1. So 3 times x, 3 times y. So we can write 3x plus 3y plus 1. Or else here we can write the same step again in another way. See that also will solve it. Here 3 cube into 5 cube into 2 of base 2. Here or else this is finished. Or else the another method here or. So here this 3 and this. So let's write first log 3 cube of base 2 plus log 5 cube or base 2 plus log 2 and base 2. To save our ink and time, we can write this. Okay, whereas by using formula, now 3 will comes here by log x24 of m base 2 equal to m log x, you know. So log 3 base 2 plus here 3 into log 5 base 2 plus log 2 base 2 equal to 1. So log 3 base 2 equal to x. So 3 into x, 3x plus here 3 log 5 base 2 equal to y. 3y plus 1. Here also we got the same answer what we got here. So this is what is today class, and the next from the 4th bit to the next till 10th question, sorry till 9th question, I will explain you in the my next video. So till that time you practice this. So if you are practicing this well, you can understand the next videos very well. So keep that till that time, keep smiling. Bye everybody.